Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer Dr Azli Bin Nawawi. Today our group will present about our project that is garbage crane. Okay, so before we start, I would like to introduce our group members. First, myself. My name is Arif bin Azlan. The second is Muhammad Ridzuan Iqbal bin Radzi. The third one is Muhammad Alif Afifi bin Zainudi. The fourth is Muhammad Muhairie bin Mamut. And the fifth is Ahmad Khuzairil Asyraf bin Yusof. Okay, so I'll start with the introduction. So our project is about garbage crane. So what is garbage crane? Garbage crane is a mechanical tool that we produce to help the workers here in our hostel to put garbage and arrange the garbage at the hostel efficiently and to keep the property clean. So the second is to bring down the garbage from the upper level to the ground safely. So this tool can help worker bring down garbage properly, and it also help the students to be safe from falling garbage. So this tool can help the management and workers to work properly and safely. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhairie bin Mamut. So I proceed problem statement. So the worker for cleaning the trash at UTHM hostel has difficulty take the trash for 4-level building. Next, take more time to bring trash down because using stair and manually rope. Third, there is no safety for workers and people working below and they using rope to take down the trash. 4. Need more workers to complete the task. 5th, bring down the trash using rope manually will make the plastic of the trash to tear and produce unpleasant smell that attract the fly. So next I proceed to objective. So the objective for this project to study the mechanical properties that contained in the prototype that has been chosen. Second, to investigate the part that contain the specialized function to keep the prototype work as planned. So the last of the objective to prepare the SolidWorks drawing to know the exactly prototype dimension. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Khuzairil Asyraf bin Yusof. I will present about the material. So the material selection or garbage crane must fulfill the characteristic of the crane which strong, high strength, quick and safe. The best material to manufacture crane is using steel. Steel is an alloy of iron and small amount of carbon. So in this project we choose carbon steel as the material of garbage crane. Carbon steel exists in a wide variety of form. The most important factor in determining the properties of carbon steel is the amount of carbon present, which range from less than 0.015% to more than 0.5%. As we require to lift up a weight of item maximum of 50 kg, we need a strong steel that can stand the weight of the load. The carbon steel is divided into 4 categories, which are low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, and ultra high carbon steel. So carbon steel that we choose is the high carbon steel, as the properties of it is contained from 0.60 to 1.00%, with manganese content ranging from 0.30 to 0.19%. This steel has been higher strength and hardness compared to other carbon steel that is usually the most economical approach the improved performance. To increase the performance of steel in this application is common to maximize strength and hardness by raising the carbon level to the highest practical level. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ridzuan Iqbal, and I will present about procedure and result and discussion. So in this project procedure, we gathering a problem statement information on the garbage crane. After that, sketch the design, the new garbage crane by hand drafting, and then add the dimension of the sketch in order to get a accurate drawing, separate the garbage crane into the several part and pass to all group members for drawing, and then sketch every part by using SolidWorks software, and finish the drawing, and the gathering and assembly all the part of the drawing, and we using click simulation, click study, and click on static. Select the desired material on the drawing, select the features and choose fix, click the external load and put the 50 kN, create a mesh and click run to this study. And for result and discussion, based on the analysis, the target was achieved as this assembly part can withstand the load and it can support a load of 50 kN. For the finite element analysis of this part, not all part will test for 50 kN. Just assembly and critical part and the test is with the static force, which is about 100 kg. Choosing a proper material play on an important role in finite element analysis. Due to that, specific material also playing a part in this finite element of analysis. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mamut Afifi bin Zainudi. Okay, for my part, I will tell you about the conclusion and the recommendation of our project. So, the conclusion is finally, without the coordination and communication between the team members, it is not simple to finish the design of the garbage crane. Without the appropriate material and other consideration before beginning the project design, during the early stage and until the effective completion. Guidance from lecturer Dr Azli Bin Nawawi also help us lots of during the progress. The objective of this project are achieved, which to study the mechanical properties that contain in the prototype that has been chosen, investigate the part that contain the specialist function to keep the prototype work, and prepare the SolidWorks drawing to know the exactly prototype dimension. So that's the conclusion. So the recommendation is there are some problems that we face in our project, which is the project, however, is complete in about 14 weeks in a given time period. Longer time is required to achieve a better design project. After this project is complete, our garbage crane design can be recommended about the material and dimension, which is the material other than carbon steel, which is the high carbon steel. There are a lot of another material that we can choose and will be selected because it will can reduce the cost. So the second is dimension, enlarge the dimension so the crane can support more loads. So that's all for me. Thank you.